In reality, Jasmy has gained about 4.08% in the last 24 hours. DMS, on the other hand, is at $0 right now, which is different from what most people think. 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is actually $87,034,289, and JSMY's next competition is $0, which shows that JSMY has gained about $4.08 in the last 24 hours, which is the 23rd of May 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Jasmy coin price examination for now or for the next week or so. We'll try to answer the most frequently asked questions about important problems. What really is a short-term price prediction for Jasmy coin? Is JSMY a really smart investment? This is because there are very large Jasmy coin support and resistance levels, which show that Jasmy gained 4.08% in the last 24 hours, which is very important. However, before we get too deep into the Jasmy technical analysis, let's talk about the current economic situation. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This has led to Bitcoin's price dropping to 26,797.21 cents after a loss of 0.42%. During the last 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.12%, bringing it to 1813.92 cents. XRP, which is the local currency, is usually worth somewhere between 1.1 and 46 cents, or so most people thought. Furthermore, after losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents, which is a very big drop. These events show that the market is generally going down at the moment. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1, $122, $121, $212, $407, $888. This is a big number right now, but it shows that the market is going down. All over the crypto market, there seems to be a general drop, which is a very important sign. Jasmy coin support and resistance are important technical markers used to find key price levels where the trend could change. Or so they thought. Support is a price level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further. Resistance is a price level where sellers become more active and stop the coin's price from falling any further. How the AMA has no money right now, which, in a real way, is really important. Similarly, resistance is the point at which traders become very active and stop the price of the coin from going up. How support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of a coin from dropping any further. In every way, how the AMA grows as of right now at $0 in spite of what most people think. Jasmy coin's amounts of support and resistance are, in every way, as follows. The current Jasmy coin price is $0, and it has been traded for $87,329,000 in the past 24 hours. This shows that JSMY has its next competitor at $0, and that JSM has gained 4.08% in the past 24 hours. Most of the time, Jasmy has gone up by 4.08 points since yesterday, and its market capitalization is now $341,029,565 USD. This shows that the same level of competition is a level at which sellers generally become more active and stop the price of the coin from going up. Pretty further look at its support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of a coin from dropping any further. At the moment, the price is at $0, which is very important. Examining the value of a Jasmy coin. Jasmy's cost analysis for May 31, 2023, in an average time frame usually made sense below which buy, and that's what big shows. In general, Jasmy has gained about 4.08% in the last 24 hours. This is because the MACD line is still below the signal line after a hybrid, which shows that when this block was distributed, ENB was worth 308.52 cents after a change of 0.48 cents. Investors need to wait for any changes to the daily plan, which is really important. The overall strength record for Jasmy coin is currently floating at 19 for 14 days, which is a normal line. This means that Jasmy is in an oversold zone, and a pattern inversion is possible. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value, which is different from what most people think. Meanwhile, Jasmy's Williams %R pointer is at 77.222 for the 14-day time frame. Jasmy coin's death. The present price of a Jasmy coin is $0, and there are a lot of them being traded. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been putting off and turning down talks for many months. In the next 2 years, the deal limits how much money the U.S. government can spend. The prices of national security will not be taxed, which is a very important point. This deal was made a month after U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned on June 1 that the talks could fail. After the debt cap was announced, more money started to flow into Bitcoin, which drove the BTC/USD price up by more than 3% in just one day. This rise proves what veteran Wall Street trader Macrojack said about the value of real assets like Bitcoin, especially since he thinks the dollar will be printed into oblivion. His famous quote is, "Bitcoin is the fastest horse in the race." Meyer thinks that the Federal Reserve might have